much about these next songs, pero hahayaan ko na lang umalaw ang banal na Espiritu sa buhay ninyong lahat.
Wow.
He has moved in mine for so many years. And I'm excited to see, after celebrating 40 years in the industry, I'm excited to see what He's going to do for the next 40 years. Who knows? Maybe in 10 years from now, I'll be up here with a cane. We never know. We will never know. When we think that we know what lies ahead, God has always something bigger,
Yes.
better,
Yes.
even when it goes against the grain,
Yes.
even when it doesn't really fit into our plans. He knows what is best.
Yes.
He knows what is right.
Yes.
And for wherever you are today, if you think you've made it, He's going to take you to newer places, newer heights. That's just the way He is.
Yes. Amen.
I will not go into a litany of what I've been through with my health. Do your research, and you will see that I am no longer supposed to be on this stage.
Wow.
But He has bigger plans.
Yes.
So ito,
Amen.
para sa inyo, sana ma-bless kayo lahat. Lalo na yung mga nasa itaas, na maaaring kung kayo napunta dahil medyo you might be hiding the pains that you've been through. Bakit kaya